Hi everyone! Sa video ito, talakayin natin kung paano mag-determine ng vertex, focus, latus rectum, and other parts of the parabola na kung saan ang vertex natin ay origin or 0, 0. So bago tayo magpatuloy, inaanyayahan kitang mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Maraming salamat. Okay, so before we proceed in examples, okay, always remember that if your equation is x squared is equal to 4c y, okay, the vertex is 0, 0. Okay? X squared is equal to 4cy. So the opening of the graph is opens upward. Okay? So if we're going to draw the parabola, opens upward, and the vertex at 0, 0. Okay, this is our vertex, opens upward. At kapag opens upward, ang focus niyan ay nandito. So, nandito ang focus at meron din tayong tinatawag na directrix. So, nandito naman sa baba. So, andyan ang ating directrix. Tandaan na ang focus natin at yung directrix, midpoint nila yung vertex. Okay? Next, on the second. So, kapag ang equation naman natin, ang format niya ay x squared is equal to negative 4cy. Okay? So, that is opens downward. Okay, so ang vertex natin ay nandito pa rin kay 0, 0. Tapos, ang focus natin ay nandito naman sa baba. At ang kanyang directrix ay nasa taas. Okay? So, anong pinagkaiba nito? So, pagkatingin mo dapat sa equation, kapag x squared, it's either opens upward or downward. Kapag positive, opens upward. Pero kapag negative ito, opens downward. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Paano naman kapag ang format ng equation mo ay y squared is equal to 4cx. Kapag ganyan naman ang format ng equation mo, y squared opens to the right, tapos positive to, opens to the right talaga siya. Okay? So, opens to the right. So, ang dito ang focus natin sa kanan at ang dito naman ang directrix natin sa kaliwa. Okay? So, kapag ang equation mo naman ay y squared is equal to negative 4cx. Okay? Yan naman, ang parabola mo opens to the left. Okay? Opens to the left. Tapos ang focus natin ay nandito sa kaliwa at ang kanyang directrix ay nandito sa kanan. So ganun lang kasimple yan. Tandaan, kapag opens upward, ang focus mo ay nandito sa taas. Kapag opens downward, nandito naman sa baba. Kapag opens to the right, nandito sa kanan at opens to the left, nandito sa kaliwa. So nasa loob palagi ng curve yung focus natin. At yung directrix, palaging nasa labas ng curve natin. Another thing. Okay, another thing to remember, yung focus at vertex natin, vertex to focus, yan yung tinatawag nating C, distance ng focus to vertex. At matatawag din na C yung vertex to focus, ay vertex to directrix. Okay, yung nandun sa equation na yan, ito, yung C. Okay? That C is, okay, distance ng vertex to focus. At pwede ring distance ng vertex to directrix. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag nating C. from vertex to focus, okay, that is the length of that, or the distance between vertex to focus, that is C in the formula. Okay. Yung 4C naman na yan yung haba ng latus rectum natin. Okay? Kumbaga dito sa graph, ito, yung haba niyan, okay, that is our 4C. That is the latus rectum. The length of the latus rectum. So, ito ang latus rectum natin na tinatawag. Okay? Ito ang tinatawag nating latus rectum dito. At ito naman din dito sa opens to the left. So, sa madaling salita, ang latus rectum, ito, okay, dadaan palagi dun sa focus. So, that is a segment passing through the focus. At yung haba niyan, yung length niyan, yun yung value ng 4C. Okay, so let's have an example. Okay, let's determine the vertex, focus, directrix, latus rectum, end of latus rectum, and axis of symmetry of this equation, and let's graph also. Okay, pagkatingin mo dun sa equation, x squared, tapos positive. Sabi ko kanina, x squared is equal to positive. That is opens upward. Okay? So this is the graph of the parabola opens upward. Okay? So kung opens upward yan, opens upward, nandito yung vertex ay focus mo, nandito sa baba ang kanyang directrix. Okay? Start tayo sa pag-determine ng vertex. Kung i-determine natin yung vertex neto, okay? Alam natin na dapat agad na ang vertex niya ay 0, 0 kasi walang minus h, walang minus k doon sa equation natin. Okay? So, dapat automatic 0, 0 agad ang isulat mo dyan. Okay? Kapag wala kang makitang number dito. 0, 0 agad. Okay? So, ang vertex mo ay nandito sa 0, 0. Since sabi natin opens upward, so nandito lang dapat yung banda yung focus natin. So, paano natin madedetermine yon? Okay? Madedetermine natin gamit dun sa formula. So, determine natin yung 4C dito sa equation. Tandaan, ang 4C ay yung katabi ng variable y. Okay? So, ang 4C dito ay itong 8. Okay? The value of 4C is 8. Yan na rin yung tinatawag nating length of latus rectum. Kaya 8 dapat. Magmamaya, i-drawing natin yung latus rectum. Yung value ng C, okay? Yun yung distance of vertex to focus at saka vertex to directrix. Kaya isosolve natin yan. So, since ang 4C ay 8, isosolve natin yung value ng C. Divide both side by 4. C is equal to 2. Okay. Pagdating dito sa graph, okay, C is equal to 2. That is the distance ng vertex to focus. Okay, so andito ang vertex natin. Opens upward. So therefore, nandito lang sa taas yung focus natin. So ang distance daw ay 2. Yun yung value ng C, distance ng vertex to focus. So mula dito sa vertex, 1, 2. So ito ang ating magiging focus. Okay? Ito ang ating vertex. Ang directrix naman, ganun din. Yang 2 na yan, okay, itong 2 na to, that is also the distance, okay, distance ng vertex to directrix. Okay? So, distance ng vertex to directrix, dun naman sa baba. So, opens upward tayo, nandun ang focus, so nandito ang directrix line. So, 1, 2, so nandito dapat ang line natin. So, line, mag-drawing tayo ng line dito. So, that is our directrix. So, anong equation niyan? Ano yung equation ng directrix natin? Kapag horizontal line, ang graph natin, tandaan, y equals ang equation. Okay? So, y equals negative 2. Okay? Negative 2 to, di ba? So, lahat ng points dito kasi, yung y-coordinate niya ay negative 2. Kaya yung horizontal line na yan, y is equal to negative 2. So, ano namang ordered pair ng focus natin? Ang ordered pair ng focus natin ay 0, 2. Okay? So, ito, 0, 2. 0 yung x-coordinate natin, tapos umangat siya sa 2 ng y. So, 2. 0, 2 ang ating focus. O, paano yung latus rectum? So, automatic, itong 8 na to, yun yung latus rectum mo. Sabi natin kanina, pag latus rectum, dadaan dapat dito sa focus. 8 yan. So, 4 sa kanan, 4 din sa kaliwa. Para kabuuan, 8. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dapat yung point natin nandito din. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung isang point nandito. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, yan yung end of latus rectum natin. So, kumbaga, ito ang ating end of latus rectum. Ito yung end of latus rectum natin. Tapos, ito ang ating latus rectum. Nag-gets po? Okay? So, pwede na nating i-determine yung end of latus rectum. Ano yung end point ng segment na yan? So, that is negative 4, 2. Okay? Negative 4, 2, and ito, that is 4, 2. Okay, so yan yung curve ng parabola natin. So, pasensya, hindi perfect yung pagka-curve niya. So, that's the parabola. X squared is equal to 8y. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. No? Para ma-determine natin yung vertex, focus, directrix, latus rectum, end of latus rectum. Kaya lang ito pang axis of symmetry. Pag sinabi nating axis of symmetry, that is a line passing to the vertex and the focus. So, ito yon. Yan yung axis of symmetry. It divides the parabola into two congruent parts. Okay? So, anong equation neto? Kapag patayo naman ang ating line, x equals naman dapat. So, yan ay x is equal to 0. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple yung pag-determine ng parts ng parabola at pag-graph ng parabola. So, I hope you learned something and watch the next example, okay, para mas maintindihan pa natin yung parabola.